who am I? I studied physics at university, but what was interesting for me at physics was it actually gives you ability to model uncertainty, and that is the most interesting part that we are going to talk about today. FlexRule is a decision-centric automation platform. We started FlexRule back in 2008. We are known pretty much globally. These are a couple of our customers across the world. Generally, automation falls into two broader categories, a competitive parity and competitive advantage. The expectation you have from running that automation project, it actually can be seen either in the competitive parity or competitive advantage. It cannot be both. Competitive parity scope. It is more easier to implement this kind of automation. It has a quicker ROI, and that's why you can see all the hype and all the good things about process robotic automation. Competitive advantage scope. So rather than the vanilla standard processing the invoice, now let's segmentize our entire customer base, and based on different characteristics, let's provide the highly personalized product and service to them. That is where the organization starts to innovate. That is where the organization starts to respond to business moment, the transient business opportunities. That is how organizations generally can differentiate themselves with other competition. If RPA is part of that section, it's not only RPA, it's actually RPA augmenting more sophisticated architecture in organizations. Robotic process automation, generally where it sits and where it fits is at the beginning of the automation scope. You cannot expect running an RPA project and having a very huge impact. More impact means more risk, more resources required, more investment, more commitment from organization. It is all about the roles of automation in your organization. What are you trying to get out of that automation? And then based on that, you can choose different technologies, whether that's RPA or whether optimization of business decisions using AI. You never know until you really have a clear understanding of the role of automation. There are two main use cases for RPA. The other very big benefit of opportunity in using RPA is buying time for organizations until the life cycle of management for information system can replace that legacy system. We are talking about filling the forms. Let's automate that. You pick a repetitive task that is well-known, documented. Once you have that, then you can train the robot to actually do the job. You need to build the robot, you need to train the robot, and then you need to put the robot in the place to do the job. One of the challenges is it requires maintenance. If you do use RPA in the area that you're not supposed to do, it defeats the purpose. You're using RPA for something that you're not supposed to do, and it creates the technical debt for your organization, which is probably more expensive than running the process manually in the first place. So are we introducing a robot to automate a repetitive task? Is that task well known and everyone knows how to implement that task? And if that's the case, okay, you get many benefits. So you're trying to move away those administration things from your staff to make them more productive. That should be the ultimate goal. The issue is, if you put the robot in the area that is heavily regulated and you have to train the robot to follow the business rules, you're actually adding up to your technical debt. Gartner says for every robot that you deploy, you pretty much have to review those scripts between 3 to 6 months. A decision-centric automation platform makes sense. Business decisions becomes the first-class citizen of your organization. It actually gives you a much more opportunity to apply different cutting-edge technology like AI. If we could deploy a robot without introducing any technical debt, how would you imagine your organization being?